So I'm hoping that most of you know that this is both of them are part of the ASEAN group of countries. How many countries are there? There are 10 countries. There are 10 countries. Which are these? So as we move from our borders, so there will be Myanmar, then this is Laos, then Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, right? Then there is Malaysia, right? And as we move down, there is Singapore, Indonesia, Brunei, right? Philippines, right? So these are some of the countries that are associated with ASEAN. Generally, it is a very peaceful region, but there was a boundary dispute with respect to a specific temple and a specific area that is known as Priya Vihar. Priya Vihar, right? Of course, there would be a particular local pronunciation also, but we are going with Priya Vihar. Now, this particular temple is a very important temple because it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, UNESCO recognized World Heritage Site. Also, when it was made by the Khmer kings, right? So, Khmer kings made it as a Shiva temple. Later on, it was also used by Buddhists, right? So, this is Shiva temple, which was later on used by Buddhists also, around which this particular border dispute is happening, right? Now, whenever we are hearing about border disputes and territorial aspects with respect to Southeast Asia, we are generally thinking about South China Sea, we are generally thinking about China. Neither is the case here. It is not a maritime dispute, it is a land border dispute. It is not in South China Sea, it is not with respect to in any way related to China. This is between Thailand and Cambodia that this particular aspect is going on, right? Now, in this regard, what are some of the basic things that you will have to remember? That both countries are part of ASEAN, right? Both are fighting over or having a disagreement with respect to this colonial boundary demarcation, right? As is the case with many of these boundaries, right? Which have been drawn in the colonial era, there is a dispute and over which this particular dispute or this particular tension has happened.